Hey, how's it going, guys? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we will be talking about how to install the macOS Catalina icon theme. So I'm going to open up the article here. Now, the first thing we need to do is download the icon theme. So we're going to go to the link on the page, go down to Files, and we will download the one that we want. I'm going to get this one here. You can also download both. They're a little different. Scroll down and we need to go to the download folder here on our terminal. So I'm already there, but you can get there with CD downloads. And from there you need to extract the files. Copy that command there. That will extract everything you need. Some of these errors are going to come. It's going to say cannot create symlink. Don't worry about those, because if you run the ls command, the icons are still there. So no big deal. You can scroll down to the installation instructions. Now these installation instructions can differ single user and system-wide. Single user is for, you guessed it, one user only, and system-wide is for everybody. So I'm going to install the first icon theme here with just this command here. And from there I can open up my appearance settings and I can go to my icons and find my macOS Catalina right here. So now this is my Mac icons. Now I'm going to open up the folder. We see we've got Mac style icons. Because I'm running XFCE, the panel needs to be restarted. So some of the old icons are still there. But if we go to user share applications, you'll be able to see like it's using a lot of the Mac stuff. Like you see the Thunar file manager. Let me find it. Thunar. It's using the macOS Finder icon, and the terminal is using the macOS terminal icon. This is perfect if you're going to theme it, or even if you're just like me, you're just using XFCE, but you like Apple's way of designing icons. You want something elegant and looking like that. That's what you do. Anyways, guys, I hope this video was informative for those of you who like Apple stuff and want to theme your icons to look that way, and you want to get the new Catalina set up. This is what you do. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.